Hi guys, how you doing? It's Kevin here. Hopefully all is well with you. I just wanted to jump on very quickly to have a quick chat to you about a product that's been launched by good friends of mine, Nick and Kate James, brilliant people, and they put together what's known as a product called Hidden PLR. Now, if you don't know what Hidden PLR is, it's basically a website that you can go to purchase a book that's pre-written by somebody else. It might be a video or a training course that's purchased by somebody else, and you have downloaded it. You may have downloaded it onto your PC. You may have come across and purchased a product like this before. Maybe it's your first time here and you don't know what it's about. So what I'm doing is very quickly, I want to go in and kind of give you an insight to what PLR is first, and then what we'll do is we'll actually go there and show you exactly what Nick has released and the benefits to it. Okay, so here's a quick example of a couple of websites, and these websites, let me just make myself a little bit smaller here. I'm up in the corner. These websites this is one called Master Resale Rights, and basically what it does is enables somebody like myself who's very busy in business, that doesn't have the time or the resources to actually have staff to go out and create products. This website is set up for you, okay, and it allows you to access, pre-written content. Now you're going to pay the person for it, and they call it a they call this a private label product, or in other words, it's a product that somebody else has actually done. You pay them to access that, and basically you can use that then as your own product to give away as a bonus. Maybe you can use it in the membership site. You've got to read through the actual the licensing laws. They're all slightly different, but you can actually have a product that you can give away to a client in order for you to build an email list, for example. So maybe you have a product within your business. Maybe you're in the health and fitness niche. Maybe you're in, internet marketing niche. Maybe it's a niche that you're not too familiar with, and you just want to have a product ready to go, pre-packaged, and so that you can sell, number one, and secondly, that you can actually give away. Okay, so that's the basis of the knowledge that a lot of people know from. And then Nick has come across, has taken some of these PLR products and he's made over $1 million. Now, how does somebody go from just not making very much to making over $1 million? Well, all you got to do is jump on board the Hidden PLR program to get that answer, okay? But just before I go, I just want to show you one other one here. This is another one here which has free content first resources. It has the latest top 100. And again, all these products are pre-written by professionals, very good graphics in relation to it. And when you purchase these products, okay, you're kind of given a download link, and it links directly down to your PC, and that's where people get stuck. They don't really know what do I do with it? How do I put this stuff together? But if I'm looking for something very, very quickly, I can take the vitamin D. Imagine how many people want to know about vitamin D, and you're in the health and fitness niche, and you've got people that you want to talk to. Instead of you going out and doing all this work for yourself, you basically come along, you pay for the product, okay, and you can get the rights to use this, so it can be sold, can be used for personal use, can be packaged with other products. Sales letters can be, they all have different, kind of laws that you can use, can be published online, can be used to build your list, can be asked for as a bonus, all this kind of stuff. So then when people download the product, people get stuck, okay? So Nick has come along, and what he's done is he's basically put together this Hidden PLR tree system that's going to show you, he's going to teach you exactly what to do with this. Now, this product here is brilliant, okay? There's videos in there, there's information in there, there's even bonuses in there down here, which is going to kickstart everything that you're doing in relation to doing it. It's valued at $97. Just flick down here. Here it is here in relation to that. So these are the bonuses that you're already given. They're already pre-written. All the graphics are done for you, and you can get them away. Just read through the license agreement again. But basically, this is going to give you a really good head start in relation to doing this. Okay, so they're saying that they could easily charge $47 or $97 for the package, and that's true. But you're going to get access to everything here for $7.14. Okay, and there's great content. So first of all, you're going to get information in relation to that, and then you're going to get this from PLR product information. Okay, now this is great because Nick can tell you that to go to these websites and how to repackage them and how to do them and how to sell them and make more profit from what you're doing. This is a dime sale, so the time of this video, this may have gone up. It really just depends. Dime sale means that once somebody purchases it, somebody else will do that. Okay, so because I know Nick personally myself, and here's a picture of Nick and there's Kate there together. They have a great lifestyle in relation to what they're doing, which is great. And I know them personally, so I want to give them a big shout out. So I wanted to do something really special for them. So I put together, once you purchase the hidden PLR, okay, for $7, it's ridiculous, okay, for $7.14, okay. What I've done is I've put together a bonus for you as well, okay. So what I've done is come up with a bonus for you. I wanted to kind of integrate it with the hidden PLR, because I think that's important, okay? Because, Nick is going to teach you what to do and that kind of stuff. But I have other programs here as well, like the top level affiliate, where it's going to teach you about affiliate marketing, and you're going to be able to integrate what you learn through the hidden PLR from Nick into this. So this is why I've put this bonus together, because I think the two of them work hand in hand, and you can access that. It's a full training program that's going to bring you through affiliate marketing, the basics of affiliate marketing. So that's yours for free if you decide to go through my link. And by the way, I will be paid some compensation for doing this, because it's an affiliate program, and I want to be totally upfront with that, okay? And now the bonus number 3 here is the YouTube Mastery Program, where it's going to teach you about YouTube. And again, we're going to be integrating some of the things that you learn through hidden PLR in relation to doing that as well. So that's why I've put that one in there as well. And these are full programs which bring you through step by step. Sean is going to be your instructor. That's going to bring you through these programs, and you just got to register for each one of them here. So if you click here, for example, and open it, you've got to register for this program, okay? But once you do that, everything will work fine for you. Just put in your username, first name, last name, email, and password, and submit the registration, and you're good to go. You'll get some information. You get an email with confirmation as well to give you your login details, and you're good to go in relation to doing that, okay? Same thing here, just make sure that you do for each one, because each one is a different program. And then we have one down here which is about Pinterest. Pinterest, it took me a while to get used to the Pinterest, but Pinterest is a way that you can actually pin something to a board, somebody sees it, then what they do is, where people do go wrong, is they actually send them directly to affiliate link. We don't want to do that. We're going to teach you how to use some of the PLR, and that Sean will teach you how to do that, how to use some of the PLR again to maximize your return, that you actually build out a landing page with the material, and it's going to put you ahead of the game, and you're going to be able to make some profit from doing that, which is great indeed, okay? So that's my exclusive bonuses, and all you're simply going to do is you got to pick up a copy of this. There will be a link below this video here, and once again, this is an affiliate link, because I've put together so many bonuses for you. You're going to really enjoy Nick's teaching. He's good. He's solid. Let's see, we just flick back here. I think there might have been a time that we were in the room together. There's some of the other lads there. Okay, there's Nick, has other products as well going on. Okay, so here's Nick and James here, and this was actually, it was in the room with most of these people here, which is really funny. We were based here in Dublin at the time, and it was out in Dunleary, and we did good association with some other people as well. But Nick and James are there, so they're real people who really put together high quality products. I highly recommend that you jump on board and get that where you can. And once you get that, you will receive all my bonuses inside the JVC, so you don't have to do anything else. It'll just be all there for you, and you can go and enjoy the course. So with that said, have a great evening and enjoy the program. Bye for now.